Gear up for a countdown you won't forget as we dial in the loudest car horns on the market. If you're tired of whisper-quiet alerts and want to truly announce yourself on the road, you're in the right place. We'll break down the best loud car horns you can get right now. Today, I'm going to be going over the best loud car horn that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the SYOAUTO Car Horn. The SYOAUTO Car Horn is designed with durability and everyday practicality in mind, offering a compact, weather-ready solution for drivers who want a reliable alert without a dramatic installation. This unit embraces the simplicity of a universal 12-volt system, a 2-wire connection, and a rugged housing that resists rain, salt spray, and road debris. In the real world, that translates to predictable performance through summer heat and winter cold, because the materials and seals are chosen to keep moisture and grime out of the electrical contacts. Horn's diaphragm is engineered to deliver a clean, steady tone that travels well in urban canyons and on open highways alike, ensuring that your presence is announced with confidence rather than a muffled chirp. Sound signature strikes a balance between penetrating volume and tonal clarity, so other drivers can hear you without provoking excessive horn usage or harsh feedback. The mounting system is designed for broad compatibility, with standard bolt patterns that fit a wide range of makes and models, and the included bracket simplifies alignment so you can aim the horn toward the most effective direction for your vehicle geometry. Installation is straightforward for a weekend DIY. Remove the old horn, splice in the 2-wire harness, and secure the bracket in a clean, accessible location behind the bumper. This is a practical upgrade for drivers who want improved audibility during lane changes, at intersections, and when signaling other road users in heavy traffic. The enclosure keeps electrical components shielded from vibration, while a corrosion-resistant terminal setup ensures a reliable connection across miles and seasons. For commuters and casual drivers alike, the SYOAUTO horn is a dependable, low-stress option that avoids overkill while still delivering a clearly audible cockpit-to-curb warning. It's also a cost-effective choice for those who value straightforward replacement parts rather than feature-rich but more fragile designs. Because it emphasizes reliability and ease of install, this horn supports quick swaps in aging vehicles where the original hardware may have deteriorated. In practice, many owners report crisp response with a fast on-demand tone, and the hardware tolerates recurrent removal and reinstallation without compromising fit. If you're seeking a practical upgrade that won't complicate the electrical system, this model provides a solid, everyday alert that satisfies routine driving needs and reduces moments of uncertainty in busy environments. Compared to the Farbin car horn, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the SYOAUTO unit leans towards simple robustness and universal fit, trading some potential high-end tonal bite for consistent operation and a friendlier price point. At number 4, we have the Farbin car horn. Farbin car horn is a dual-tone, weather-sealed unit designed to give your vehicle a more assertive, 2-note warning that cuts through traffic noise. This model's design centers on reliability and field performance with a rugged enclosure, corrosion-resistant terminals, and a mounting system that accommodates a broad family of builds. Dual-tone arrangement is specifically chosen to create a broader sonic footprint, producing a deeper simultaneous low and mid-range pulse that travels easily through long urban canyons, busy highways, and rural roads alike. In practice, that means you'll hear a more complex, robust horn sound when you need to alert others, as opposed to a single note signal that can blend into the mix of ambient noise. The installation experience remains straightforward. Standard 12-volt system, 2-wire harness, and a bracket that fits common bumper profiles. The weather sealing helps protect against rain, snow, and dusty conditions that could cause corrosion or intermittent connections over time. Farbin car horn balances response time with the mechanical durability needed for frequent use, a feature appreciated by drivers who rely on quick hazard calls during lane changes, merge situations, or when signaling over the roar of a truck or highway. People often notice that the unit provides a consistent, predictable loudness across temperature ranges and road vibrations, making it suitable for older vehicles or newer builds where the factory horn is underperforming. Material choice emphasizes rigidity in the face of vibration, ensuring there's no risk of diaphragm flutter or electrical arcing during heavy-duty operation. If you're comparing this to the basic single-tone options, you'll immediately feel the difference in the way the sound punches through. Compared to the SYOAUTO car horn, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the Farbin car horn offers more tonal complexity and a larger audible envelope, at a slightly higher price point, but with the benefit of a 2-note design that tends to be more directive in traffic. At number 3, we have the Farbin air horn. Farbin air horn delivers a different category of alert. relying on an electric compressor system to deliver a broad, high-impact tone that can be heard over long distances and in challenging acoustic environments. This unit typically combines a compact air chamber with a separate horn mouth, enabling a more expansive waveform and a sharper attack that many drivers associate with a professional, commercial-grade warning. The air horn approach means the sound travels in a wide beam, helping you reach other drivers whether you're at a busy intersection or on an open highway where ambient wind and traffic can smear a simpler horn. The installation path remains accessible for enthusiasts with basic electrical know-how, power, ground, and a pre-wired harness that slots into standard 12-volt circuits, with mounting hardware that positions the horn for optimal propagation. Maintenance is relatively modest, since the system uses a separate air tank and a compressor that, when properly secured, remains quiet enough not to draw undue attention in the cabin. In terms of performance, you'll notice a tempo-paced rhythm to the output, with a punchy onset and a robust tail that helps the signal persist in the viewer's sensory field. This is particularly valuable for larger vehicles or for drivers who want a signal that can be clearly interpreted from a distance. Where some drivers may worry about the energy draw of an air horn setup, this unit balances output with electrical tolerance, so it remains compatible with most vehicle electrical architecture. Those evaluating a semi-commercial or heavy-duty voice, the Farbin air horn offers a credible, durable alternative to compact electric horns. Compared to the Farbin car horn, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the air horn brings a broader audio footprint and a stronger sense of decisive signaling at the cost of a larger physical footprint and typically a higher installation complexity. At number 2, we have the Farbin 410HZ. Farbin 410HZ is engineered to deliver a distinctly low frequency note that underlines your intent with a strong, throaty resonance. The focus here is on delivering a corrective, attention-getting tone that remains intelligible even in echoing or noisy environments, such as parking garages or city streets. 410HZ signature is an approachable mid-low range that feels authoritative without becoming abrasive, a sweet spot for drivers who want to avoid overemphasized shrill tones while still commanding space in the lane. Build quality includes a weather-sealed enclosure, corrosion-resistant terminals, and a mounting bracket designed to resist vibration and maintain alignment across temperature swings. The system is designed to plug into standard 12-volt vehicles with a simple 2-wire harness and flexible mounting options that accommodate compact cars, SUVs, and light trucks alike. Sonic output travels effectively through doorways and wheel wells, making it easier for pedestrians and other drivers to hear the warning before it's too late. In practical terms, the low tone can often be perceived as more mature and controlled, which is a preference for drivers who regularly operate in complex traffic patterns or dense urban environments. Durability of the unit supports a long service life, with seals that resist moisture ingress even when the vehicle must endure heavy rain or snow. For those comparing this model to the higher-ranked air horns or dual-tone units, you'll notice a more streamlined footprint and a focus on the essential sound rather than elaborate timbres. Paired to the Farbin air horn, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the 410HZ option emphasizes a single, legible low note with a lightweight installation profile and a price tag that makes it appealing for budget-minded buyers who still demand satisfying volume and reach. At number 1, we have the Farbin air horn. Farbin air horn represents the premium edge in our top 5, combining an electric driver with a compact air chamber mechanism to deliver a powerful, unmistakable alert that travels across busy traffic landscapes. System leverages a dual-tone or wide-beam approach depending on the model, producing a broad sonic footprint that cuts through wind, engine noise, and crowds of commuters. The installation experience reflects a thoughtful engineering process, a 12-volt supply, robust mounting hardware, and integrated wiring that makes the unit compatible with a wide range of vehicles. Horn is designed for reliability in frequent use scenarios, emergency lane changes, junctions with multiple lanes, and the need to command space in high-density traffic. The air horn's diaphragm, compressor, and nozzle design work together to deliver a rapid onset sound with a long sustain, helping others gauge distance and direction quickly. Build quality emphasizes weather resistance, with seals and connectors designed to withstand rain, road spray, and salt exposure. In everyday driving, you'll appreciate the confidence it gives when you need to assert your presence and avoid miscommunications with other drivers. Durability is built into the chassis and mounting system, so you can rely on consistent performance season after season, even in climates with wide thermal swings. Sound profile is expressive enough to be heard at a fair distance, but moderated to avoid unnecessary aggression, striking a balance between practical warning and highway etiquette. For drivers who want a strong, unmistakable signal without worrying about compatibility, This model is a compelling choice that pairs bold audibility with straightforward maintenance and install, paired to the Farbin 410HZ, which I have included as number 2 on this list. The premium air horn combines the reach and clarity of an elevated acoustic system with the reliability of a contemporary 12-volt setup, offering a go-to solution for drivers who demand